This little green guy doesn't make sense, but apparently I'm a Jedi.
Guys, check out my lightsaber! So freaking cool! Oops, zoomy attack.
Ugh, what the fuck is that?
I guess they found the Chosen One on some desert planet. Personally, I think I'm the Chosen One. Guys, this is so cool. I'm in charge of my own army of clones. The clones turned on me. I didn't even do anything to them, and they started shooting. You won't believe the tea I just heard. The Chosen One guy is the one that betrayed us. I knew I was really the Chosen One.